Good morning. This is going to be an exciting opening to the market. As soon as this market opens, it's going to be an exciting exciting morning to the opening. Okay, I want to break this thing down for y'all, man. So, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's going well. If you want to see my screen, go to my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel to see my screen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Listen, when the market opens today, it's going to be exciting. Okay, it's going to be very exciting. This market is actually attempting to pump through the level that we have not been able to break in the past, probably about the past 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9 days. So if you want to see my screen for this morning show, join onto my YouTube channel right now. Good morning, Miss Charlene. Good morning, Mr. Seriano. Go to my YouTube channel right now. The link is in my bio. Link is in my bio. YouTube channel right now. YouTube channel. Link in my bio. Link is in my bio. So go to my YouTube channel right now. The link is in my bio. Okay? So you can see my screen. Hey man, how I do get access to every being class? I purchased it. I want to start watching this. Send me an email, Wayne. Send me an email because the login information. You should have received emails with the portal link. So that portal link, you just use your email address that you purchased with, and you will get an email. I mean, you will get access to it. Just create a password, and you have direct access to everything. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, TT. Good morning, Ms. Watkins. Good morning, Tammy. Good morning, Calvin. Good morning, Pitch House. Good morning, Shardy Pooh Music. Good morning, Miss Charmaine. Listen, if you're on Instagram right now, what's the email? The email is admin at iwantknowledge.com. Admin at iwantknowledge.com. If you want to see my screen right now, jump on over to my YouTube channel, everybody. This is going to be an exciting morning when this market opens. It's going to be crazy. Definitely going to be crazy. Let's see here. Hopefully everyone enjoyed their night, enjoyed their day. It's Thursday. It's almost over. The week is almost over. It's almost time. Okay. It's almost time. It's almost time. It's almost that time, everybody. Friday and the weekend is almost here. It's Friday night. Just got paid. Ain't how the song go? This is gonna be interesting, y'all. I'm telling you, this is gonna be crazy. This opening is really going to be crazy. I can't wait to see what happens. All right, everybody, and share this out with 5 of your people. Share this video out with 5 of your people. Okay, share it out with 5 of your people. You know how we do. Share it out with 5 of your people that you want to go on vacation with. 5 people you want to go on vacation with. Good morning, Miss Lamika. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you want to see my screen right now, join on to my YouTube channel. Come to my YouTube channel to see my screen. Sometimes, Miss Tammy, I more so look at the news, more so than watching it. But I watch like replays and things that they talk about on YouTube probably every day. Yep, almost every day. Good morning, Jay Shee. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Let's get this thing started. If you want to see my screen and you're on Instagram right now, join on to my YouTube channel. Come to my YouTube channel. You can see my screen. Yeah, you got to be patient to get used to it and understand what they're actually talking about. When they're talking about different sectors, when they're talking about having different analysts coming on, all those good things, it's all going to take time. And since you already signed up for the Mastermind, Miss Tammy, the more time when you go through the Mastermind, you're going to get a better understanding of what's going on. And then the more time you actually spend with us, you're going to start understanding a lot better than what you do right now. So just a matter of time. Just a matter of time, everybody. A matter of time. Man, so listen. On Monday, we drew some zones on Monday, everybody, and those zones are still intact right now. Okay, we literally drew zones and they're still intact right now. On Monday, what do I live and die by? What's my motto? My motto is this: Don't buy calls in a demand. Don't buy puts in a demand zone. Do not buy calls in a supply zone, right? If you go by that model, if you start going by that model, literally, you're going to start seeing your account balance grow. We focus only on high probability trades. We don't try to make just because the market opens, we're not trying to trade. We're focusing in on high probability trades all the time. Okay, and with those high probability trades, you have to be patient and wait for certain things to happen. So if you were patient since Monday, and every time the stock went into that demand zone, you bought calls, and every time that stock went in the supply zone, you bought puts, you had a pretty great week. Okay, you had a pretty amazing week. All right, I'm gonna break that down to you and show it to you in a few. But this market, when this market opens in roughly 33 minutes, when this market opens, we are going to see, this is going to be very interesting to see, because right now we're finally at the top of this supply zone. Okay, we're at the top of this supply zone, so when the market opens, we could potentially see a strong push up or a strong push down. Okay, strong push up, strong push down. Good morning, JB Shelp. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, my slogan is don't buy calls in a supply zone and don't buy puts in a demand zone. Okay, that's my slogan. Live and die by it. It's gonna make life 10 times. It's gonna make life 10 times easier for you, and it's gonna start making you a better trader, a more disciplined trader. Okay, a more disciplined trader, and you're gonna win more trades. You're gonna probably start winning more trades than what you lose. Okay, all right. So we look into our first thing first. We always look into our futures. We look at the stock futures and see what the stock futures have for us today. Let's see. Good morning, Lotus. Good morning. All right, CNBC stock futures. All right, here we go. Okay, so my screen, let me share my screen. All right, here we go. All right, so right here you can see we got the Dow. The Dow's up 99 points. First time in a long time. First time in a long time. Okay, the S&P up 13 points. Okay, up 13 points, 14 points now actually. The NASDAQ up 33 points. Russell's up 10 points. Not bad. Not bad at all, everybody. Not bad at all. Now, it's not bad, but it's not great. Okay? It's not bad, but it's not great. It's not like, okay, we finally got like, I think 2 consecutive days of, was it 2 consecutive days? Yeah, maybe 2 consecutive days of green futures. You know, right? The market's opened up potentially green. It's not bad, okay? But at the same time, it could be a lot better. It can be a lot better, all right? But this is the thing about it, though. This is the thing that's concerning, right? Not necessarily even concerning. This is the thing about it. The market, yesterday, we received the news yesterday, and that news stated what? Yesterday's news stated, hey, inflation is kind of creeping back up. Inflation came in higher than expected, okay? Now, immediately, when we heard that inflation came back, was higher than expected, the market, boom, kind of shot down. But this is why you do not focus on the headlines, okay? This is why you do not focus on the headlines. When we heard the inflation came in higher, the market fell down. But when the market fell down, what did the market do? The market immediately went right back up. Why is that? There's a reason for it. Why is it? Why did the market go right back up? Because when you dig into the actual numbers, when you dig into the headline, it was expected to kind of inch up some, right? Everything just doesn't go down and it go up. It goes up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, right? That's what's kind of expected. So what happened was when inflation went up, it was hotter than normal. Yeah, it was hotter than normal, but because it was going against smaller numbers, in the past it was going against larger numbers, and now it was going against smaller numbers. Okay, so the market looked into those numbers and said, hey, this CPI data is not as bad as people think having it to be right now. Okay, it's not as bad as people saying it is right now. Oh, the headlines say, oh, inflation is creeping back up, but look at the numbers. The numbers not that bad. The numbers are actually okay. So what does that tell the actual investor now? Now it tells the investor, hey, we know on the 20th what's about to happen. Jerome Powell, FOMC, gonna start talking, gonna give us some information, and what's gonna happen from there? They're going to say, are we raising rates, pausing rates? Raising rates, pausing rates. Right now, the market can possibly try to factor in that, hey, we think there will still be another pause, even with inflation kind of creeping up some, right? So that's kind of what we're looking at to see right now. That's what we're looking to see right now. That's what we're trying to find out. That's what we're trying to find out. I use CNBC. You can go to type in CNBC stock futures, Miss Tammy, and you will see that. I didn't get I didn't get the email this morning. Yeah, I haven't sent an email out in a couple mornings, right? About the show. So what you have to do is subscribe to the channel. So and you hit that bell notification. When you hit that bell notification, you will get an automatic email once I go live. Every time I go live. Okay. I don't want to bombard people with emails every morning, so that's why I haven't sent one out in a couple mornings. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my channel or see my page, go to my YouTube channel right now. You can see my actual screen. We're about to jump into this market. About to show you something. Holy crap! Oh my! Whoo! Futures is going up. SPY going up right here, right now. Right now it's going to futures. Look at the futures right now. Holy crap! What in the world? So I just showed you the futures on 1 second. Let me get this thing right. Good geesh Louise. So I just showed you the futures on right here, like as far as like on the internet, right? But you can also see the futures right here on your actual screen as well, on the actual trading charts. So you come right here, the stock, the S&P futures, the S&P minis, is right here. You see where it says /ES? That represents the futures, okay? So anytime you want to see what the futures are doing overnight, you would happen to wake up in the morning at 2 o'clock in the morning, you want to see if you want a swing call, a swing trade on SPY, SPY, and you want to see if you think you up or down, you can actually just look right here. S&P, the ES minis, okay? And it's basically the S&P 500 futures. So you can kind of see right now, we kind of trending up, fell down some. We were trending up. If you look right here, we're making a sound, nice, solid candlestick. Right now, we're up $23. The S&P is up $23 right now. So if the ES is up $23, see right here it says net change, $23. Or you can look right here as well, it says $23. This normally means that the SPY is probably like $1.50, $2, something like that. Let's see. So right now we see, whoo, here we go. Holy crap, let's go. We finally come to that trying to hit that 450 again. So the market closed yesterday at 446.51. Right now the market is at 449.07. It's up $2 and some change. It's up $2 and some change right now. That is a great morning. So if you are in swing calls, if you are in call swings right now, congratulations. You're waking up and your account is in profit. You're waking up and your account is in profit. Some people waking up to $500. Some people waking up to $50. Some people waking up to $100. Some people waking up to $5,000. Some people waking up to $10,000. It all depends on what you invested into your trade. But right now, as you can see, we are breaking through this level right here. Now let's go back and look at this level. Why is this level so important? Why am I so freaking excited about breaking through this level? All right, let's take a look at it, everybody. We eventually hit this level back on September the 6th. Okay, right now it's September the 14th. September the 6th, we first hit this level. All right, now when we hit this level, let's look and see what happened ever since we hit this level. We fell down here. So this is a supply zone, but this is a 1 hour supply zone, okay? 1 hour supply zone. I call the 1 hour supply zone Mary J. Blige. Why do I call it Mary J. Blige? Because Mary J. has a song called I'm Going Down. I'm going down, right? And then when you hit a 1 hour supply, 4 hour supply zone, that's a strong, it's a high probability trade that the stock is going to fall down. Okay? That the stock is going to fall down. It doesn't happen all the time, but it's a high probability that it may fall down. But this is our supply zone. Down here at the bottom is our 1 hour demand zone. Okay, a demand zone is where the buyers are. Supply zone is where the sellers are. So right here we see that we came through the supply zone, boom, we fell all the way down here. This officially became a supply zone, boom, fell down. Came down here to this demand zone, kind of fell through, and we bounced back up here and went to the supply zone again. Came in the supply zone again, fell down. Bounced back up, went to the supply zone again, fell down. Came back up, went to the supply zone again, fell down. And now, yesterday we came up close to it, fell down. Now we came back to this demand zone and we're working ourselves back up here to the supply zone. And now we have officially broken this supply zone, and the candlesticks, the stock price has not been above 449 since September the 6th, or September the 5th was the last time the stock price has been above $449. And right now we are above it. We're above it right now. Okay? So what does that say? What does that scream to us? This is what it screamed to us. When this market opens, three things can potentially happen. Okay? Take a look right here. All right? When this market opens, three things that can happen. First thing first, we can see this big bold candlestick right here go bloodshot red. Go bloodshot red and fall straight through this zone and come all the way back down here and start working its way back down here to this demand zone. That is a possibility, everybody. We can see the market open up, and as soon as the market opens, it go red candlestick, red candlestick, red candlestick, red candlestick, red candlestick, just all major selling, a $2, $3 sell-off at the opening of the market. Okay? That's one possibility. What's the second possibility? The next possibility is this. We can open up from this 449 and shoot up directly to this 450. Okay? Shoot directly to that 450 area. Okay? It's another possibility. Now, when we come to that 450 area, what can potentially happen? When we come to this next 450 area, we're going to hit another level of concern. Okay? If you're looking behind me right now on my screen, you can see behind me right here. Right here, this is this gray box right here. This is the 450 level. This is my active trader, okay? This is another platform I use to do my technical analysis. So this gray box right here, this is a level of concern. This is the 450 area. This is from 450 to 451, okay? 450 to 451, right? Oh, you can't see my screen. You can't see me, can you? One second. So right here, everybody, right here, this area right here, this whole gray box, this is a level of concern again. That 450 to 451 area is a place where we have a lot of sellers, okay? Then right above that, we have another area of concern. So honestly, from 450 to 453.5 is a level of concern to the upside. Okay? The level of concern to the upside. All right? So, something to be patient about. All right? Let's keep going. So what can happen, Chris? Right here, if we push up to this 450 area, we can have a level of concern. The market can stop right there and start to push back down and start consolidating again. Okay? All right? Now, the third thing that can happen, we can just at the open, we can just consolidate. Strictly consolidation. Nothing major happens, we just consolidate in the same area. Okay? In the exact same area, just consolidate right around here, this 449, and we can trade inside of this box. We can trade inside of that 449, 448 box. Okay? It's definitely a possibility. I'm gonna hang around for like I'm gonna hang around till the market actually opens, and then so I want you guys just to see that first 5-minute candlestick and see how it goes up, goes down, and what it's gonna do. Okay, right now it's definitely showing some strength right now. Also, if you look right here as well, on the 1 hour time frame, we have our supply zone or demand zone at 444 to 445, right? But now look at my screen right here, you will see that we have, look down here, right here, this blue area right here, this is our previous supply zone that we've been having the whole time, right? I mean demand zone right here that we've been having the entire time. We understand this is a demand zone. But now we have an extension, right? The buyers start to buy in a little bit earlier now, and when we broke above this area right here, we actually formed another demand zone right here. So now our demand zone has moved up from 445 to 444. Now we're at a 445 to 446.5, almost 447. Okay? We're moving up. So what does that mean when we're moving up? As we move up, what does that mean? That means the buyers are moving up as well. The buyers are moving up as well. And as the buyers move up, man, that just threw me off, bro. Good gracious. I'm like, look at this right here. Chris Jackson says good morning. I'm like, man, when did I type good morning in the chat? Now look again, it says, Chris Jackson says, what happened when the stock does a play in pre-market with a decline in the open market? I'm like, when did I type that as well? So apparently somebody else is in this chat that has the name Chris Jackson. I was like, that's throwing me off. Like, I definitely didn't say that. So good morning, everybody. Good morning, Chris Jackson. When I was in elementary school, like it was another person named Chris Jackson. Had my exact same name. Good morning, Chris Jackson. Good morning, Friday. Good morning, Ronald. Good morning, everybody. With a move like this, people will take profit. So yeah, I like what you're saying. So when the market opens, I think Freedom Forever is saying, with a move like this during pre-market, people, when the market opens, some people may try to take their profits. Very true. Some people may try to take their profits. It's very, very true. Very true. Good morning, Billy. Some people may try to take their profits. That's a true statement. All right. So if the market does start to fall down, we want to see what happens when it gets to that 4465 area, $446.50 area. Good morning, Jordan Smalls. Good morning. We want to see what's going to happen when it gets to that area. The reason why we want to see what's going to happen when it gets to that area is because that's a new area for us of a new demand zone for us right here. It's a new demand zone for us. This is gray box right there, that top gray, not the bottom gray box. This is the old demand zone, or still, they're not necessarily old, but we already had this drawn out. Now we have to draw one right here. Okay? Now we have to draw one right there as well. Okay? 16 minutes before this market opens up. 16 minutes before the market opens up. All right, let's see. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen when it. I'm very excited to see what's going to happen when it opens up. All right, let's see what kind of any major news we have right now. Let's go to our Benzinga Pro. I think I was logged into the wrong Benzinga Pro here, but that's why I'm like, why is my stuff not showing how it's supposed to show? But I think I got it figured out. So 1 second. Try to log out. All right, let's jump over here right quick for a second and see what we have here so far. All right. This is like my Benzinga where we actually just kind of, that's Monday data. There we go. Hold on 1 second. Refresh this. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what we got going on right now. This is Thursday. Anything major? Initial job claims, 220 versus 225, not bad. USA core retails, 0.6 versus 0.4. Prior 0.7, PPI 0.7 versus 0.4. Retail sales, core correction. Okay, nothing major. The data today wasn't too bad. Whoa, take a look at this. It says Nvidia has been the best performing S&P stock this year. It says, whoa. The CEO offloads more shares amid 211% year-to-date rally. He sold 59,000 shares between September 12th and September 13th. Whoa. The selling was a total of $26.90 million. And then the week prior, he sold 42 million. Wow. Also through exercising of stock options. So in total, it's showing that he sold almost $70 million worth of shares of the Nvidia stock. The CEO did that. That's interesting. The last time Tesla started to sell off, the whole stock just went straight down to the ground. It's crazy. I'm gonna do some more research on that. I'm new to this, but if the market isn't open yet, how are the trades going? Great question, Randy. This is what Randy just said, everybody. Great question. So Randy said, I'm new to this, but if the market isn't open yet, how are their trades going on? So the actual market is from 9:30, opens from 9:30 to 4 p.m. But we have this thing called pre-market, where people who actually own stocks or trading stocks, you can buy in pre-market, and that's between let's say the S&P is almost all day, but for the most part it's 4 a.m. to 9:29. So from 4 a.m. to 9:29 a.m. that's called pre-market. All right. We have this thing called post-market, where you can still buy and sell stocks, not options, but just stocks, from 4 p.m. to I think 8 p.m. 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. Good stuff forever. Freedom forever. Freedom forever says, have 9 contracts. I may leave 1 or 2 runners, but you got 9 contracts of SPY. Congratulations. Everybody put CYC in the chat. Okay, CYC in the chat right now, everybody, for forever, freedom forever. They woke up this morning to they woke up this morning to some good money in the stock market. Okay, and what they're saying is they have 9 contracts. They may leave 1 or 2 runners. So I'm not sure if it's a he or she, but what Freedom Forever is saying is they're saying that they're going to sell 7 contracts and they're going to keep 2 contracts running. Those 7 contracts that they're selling is going to be able to get their money back, plus get them profit. And those 2 that they're going to keep there just to run, to let them do whatever they're going to do, is just going to make, if it goes up, it's going to make them more money. If it goes down, they're not going to lose any money because they already took their profits and already got their money back. They invested. So CYC. SPY448C call. Good stuff. Congratulations. And look, it's still going right now. Oh, this thing is running. Okay, man, got you. Okay, I just verified. Okay, take a look at this thing. Good geesh Louise. This thing is like, it's just pushing through. We came right here, boom, we broke through, came back, did a retest of it, boom, another retest, boom. And it's pushing up. It's really trying to go to that 450. It's really trying to go to that 500. When this market opens in 9 minutes, when the market opens, whoo, y'all look at this. Y'all may not be as excited as I am, but look at this right here. Look at this candlestick go. Look at it. Look at it go. It's rolling. Look. So right now, forever is just making more money right now. But what we want to see is this market stay up here when the market opens. We don't want to see it go back and move and fall back down. It's trying to make some noise though. It really is. One of the first days we've had such a powerful morning at the open, right? As far as even as far as the futures, it's crazy. And what I want you guys to see when it opens as well, and also when the market actually, throughout the day, look and see what happens once structure is broken. Okay, so basically the structure of this market was broken to the upside, because we know from here what I just showed you guys previously, we haven't broken this level since September 6th. So when we broke this level today, we broke structure. Since we broke structure, now we got to look and see, okay, where's the market heading to now? But we broke market structure when we broke this level, because we hadn't broken this level since what? September 6th. Okay? September 6th. When we first started talking to ES right here, was at like $15, $16. Now it's at $28. Just slowly rolling up. Everybody, I'm just be completely honest with you. This is how you pay your light bill, your gas bill, your mortgage every single month without you having to use your income from your job. Okay? This is how you do it. This is pre-market right now. The market is not even open right now, and people are making money. Why are they doing this? How are they making money? Why are they making money? This is how they're making money, everybody. This is how they're making money. Because they bought a contract, they bought a stock when it was at a low price or a discounted price. They identified that, hey, it's trading inside of a zone. They bought in at the bottom of that zone, and then it started to go back up to the top of the zone, and you make money. If we understand this stock has been trading inside of this zone from September 6th, what should we be doing? We should find the bottom of it. Whenever we're at the bottom of the zone, we're buying at the bottom of the zone, taking it to the top of the zone, or close to the top of the zone. When we're at the top of the zone, we're taking from the top of the zone to the bottom of the zone. Okay? All right, the market is going to open in roughly 6 minutes. This market will be open in 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. I really want you guys to see the price action. I want you guys to see what could potentially happen when this market opens. When this market opens, the first thing that can possibly happen is it can shoot straight down, everybody. Listen to what I'm telling you. It can shoot straight down and possibly go to 447. It's at 449.16 right now. Over the course of 5 to 10 minutes, we can see this market fall all the way down to a 447. Okay? Or, that's crazy. That's crazy. The NASDAQ was at $33 when we first opened up. Now it's at $71. This is crazy. So, or we can see the stock go straight up into that 450 range, 450 to 451 area, and then pause, stop, freeze. It's going to hold and stop, pause, freeze potentially. Or what we can see is it just consolidate where it's at right now, right around this 449 area. You see if this 449 area going to hold true. Okay? Those are some things that we can see happen. Everybody, right now, if you're on Instagram and if you're on YouTube, hit that like button and subscribe button. Yes, yes, Freedom Forever, they bought calls. If you look right here, he said he bought SPY 448C. That 448C, the C stands for calls. If he would have bought puts, it would have been 448 puts. Okay? 448 puts. How do you identify the zone? So you identify the supply. You can identify the supply and demand zones, right? In the Mastermind, we break everything down and show you exactly how we actually find our zones, find our key levels, and find the entry points, all that good stuff. So we using supply and demand zones. Okay, supply and demand zones. And the next Mastermind is October the 9th through October 13th, everybody. October 9th through October 13th. So if you're new to this, you have no idea about what's going on, what I'm talking about at all, okay? CYC means close your computer. CYC means close your computer. So if you wonder what any of this stuff means, take the Mastermind. From there, I'm going to show you, if you're a newbie, if you have experience, you will be able to take something from this, from the Mastermind. Good morning, Gerald. Good morning. And the Mastermind is a 5-day Mastermind where I show you everything you need to know about trading stock options. You might say everything you need to know about trading stock options. Look at this rejection right here. Look at this rejection. Remember I told you 450 was something straight, or something crazy. 450. We got a nice rejection right here. Take a look right here on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this right here on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this on the 5-minute time frame. Like I had said, we need for it to hold and stay true. I'm gonna do something right quick. I want to show y'all guys something. Let me show you guys something right quick. Whenever I see this happening right here, before the market opens, I do this right here. Watch this, y'all. Let's see something. This is a premature trend line, right? A premature trend line, okay? Right? This right here, what I just drew on my screen, is a premature trend line on the 5-minute time frame. Normally, I do not draw trend lines on the 5-minute time frame, but I want to show you guys something. If this market is going to fall down, we're going to see a big push off of this blue line right here when the market opens. A huge push off of this blue line when the market opens, okay? I want to see what this happens in 5 minutes. In 3 minutes, this candlestick, or 2 minutes and 20 seconds, this candlestick right here is going to close. If it closes beneath this blue line right here, the next candlestick, if it stays beneath that blue line, we could potentially see a thrust, a push down, okay? If it breaks above it, this blue line is null and voided, okay? Let's see what happens, though. I want you guys to see this. I want you guys to see this, okay? Everybody hit that like button over here in Ethiopia. The grind doesn't stop. What's going on, brother? You in Ethiopia? What's going on? We need to connect, man. Oh, y'all can't see my screen. Y'all see me. My bad. Oh, my bad. Let me redraw that right quick. So right here. This blue line right here. Okay, the market is going to open. So right here, this is a premature, okay? Premature trend line. I like to draw premature trend line sometimes. The premature trend line means it's not yet a trend line. It's not confirmed as a trend line yet, okay? It'll be confirmed as a trend line once this right here stops on the 5-minute, but normally I do not draw 5-minute trend lines. What stock are we looking at? We're looking at SPY. If you want to see my screen, just go to my YouTube channel. Just go to my bio and go to my YouTube channel. You can see my screen. Okay? You can see my screen. All right. Countdown. A minute away from the market opens. Listen, I'm excited. Let's see what this market. Let's see what happens when this market opens. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. And for Freedom Forever, if you trade with Active Trader, you can go ahead and set your stop loss right now if you want to. Let's see what happens when this market opens. Here we go. 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 To that bell sounds. Let's go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's see if we're going to reject this trend line. Well, it ain't even a trend line yet, but reject this level. Reject this line. Let's see what's going to happen. The countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bing, the bell is open. Let's see what happens. The first candlestick right here, everybody. Let's see what it does. It opened up above this trend line. Let's see, well, not even a trend line, but it opened up above that level or that line. Let's see what it does. Let's see if we thrust up or shoot down. Let's see. Here we go. 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 What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see this thing push up, though. Here we go. Uh-oh. It's turning red. This is why I do not trade before 10 o'clock. I don't get in trades before 10 o'clock. Look at this. Come on. What are we going? What are we doing? What are we doing? Come on. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we really doing? Let's go. Come on. Look at this. 3 options, everybody. Big boy red. Still, it can be a fake red right here, everybody. This can be a fake red. This red candlestick right here can go green in a minute. In a couple seconds, this whole candlestick right here can turn into a big boy green candlestick. Okay? It can turn into a big boy green candlestick, or it can continue to go big boy red. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Whoa! Let's see. And like I said, if it goes down, let's see what happens when it gets to the 447 and the 446 level. 447 and 446 level. Let's see what happens when it gets there. Whoo! I didn't draw this line for no reason, everybody. I saw something in the atmosphere. Okay? I felt it and saw it in the atmosphere. Okay? Let's see what happens. Now, we're back underneath this trend line. We're respecting the trend line now. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Here we go to 15-minute. Let's see what's happening. All right, back to the 5. And everybody, I'll be having like 3 charts up right here so you guys see everything, right? I'll be having my 5-minute chart up on SPY right here. That's the 5-minute. Then I come over here as well. Let me close this down. Come right here as well. I got the 15-minute time frame. And I come right here as well, and I got the 1-hour time frame. So I got 3 of them showing. Right now, this is a bearish book. This is a bearish candlestick trying to form on the 1-hour time frame right here. On the left side is a 1 hour on the left side. The middle is a 15-minute time frame, and on the right side is the 5-minute time frame. What does that mean? So on the right side, the 5-minute time frame means each candlestick represents 5 minutes of buying and selling. Okay, each candlestick has 5 minutes of life. In the middle is the 15-minute candlestick. That means each candlestick has 15 minutes of life. Okay? Right here on the 1 hour, that means each candlestick represents 1 hour of buying and selling. Okay? 1 hour of life. Now look how it's changing. This is why I do not trade before 10 a.m. I do not have time for all this bipolarness going on right now. Okay? Don't have time for it. Look how it's changing. Look how the 1 hour time frame is already changing green. The 15-minute is still red. The 5-minute is still red. But the 1 hour is green already. Okay, let's look. Let's go. Let's push crazy up. Let's push crazy up. Let's see. Let's push crazy up. Freedom forever. You took profits. Good stuff. Freedom forever. Everybody, CYC. Freedom forever took profits. Brought at 9. Brought 9 contracts for 79 cents. He sold them at $1.79. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Congratulations. Congratulations. Here we go. In the 30-minute candlestick is the hammer. Yep, 30-minute. Billy said the 30-minute candlestick got us a hammer. Look at this 30-minute candlestick. Yeah, but Billy, look at that 30-minute candlestick. Look how it's holding that 9 EMA on that 30-minute candlestick, though. On that 30-minute time frame, it's holding that 9 EMA pretty good. Something to take a look at. Keep an eye on. All right, the 1 hour went back negative. The 1 hour went back red. Look at this right here, y'all. We going. Boom, boom, boom. What's going on? Let's see. This is still the 5-minute time frame right here. 5-minute time frame. Uh-oh. All right. Let's see. All right, so we can definitely potentially trade inside of this gray area for a minute, right? Trade sideways for a minute inside that gray area. Definitely a possibility. Definitely a possibility. And everybody remember, we do this show every single morning. We're right here for the Good Morning Stock Options, our daily morning show. So subscribe to the channel if you like if you enjoy the content, if you're enjoying what you see, enjoying just learning more about the market. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification button, all that good stuff. They say it helps out a lot. And every morning we right here. Do the same thing every morning. Monday through Friday. It's struggling. It's struggling right here. It's struggling right here. Remember, right here we have a demand zone. Right here at this 447 area. Let me draw that zone. It overlaps with this one. And to the upside of that 450, we have a supply zone. Okay? Strong supply zone, that 450. It's on an hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame looks like, yeah. And also, yeah. Yep. 447. Everybody, if we come down to 447, anything between 447 and 444 is a possibility that I may be buying calls. I'm not giving out financial advice at all. That 447 to that 444 zone, it's a $3 zone. It's a 4-hour demand zone. Struggling. Look at the 1 minute time frame, and this is the 1 minute time frame. It shows a minute. Every candlestick is 1 minute. Every candlestick is 1 minute. And what's happening right now? Consolidation, everybody. We're consolidating. That's what's taking place. Consolidation, everybody. Consolidation. Basically, what does consolidation means? Look exactly what the candlesticks are doing. They're doing absolutely nothing. They're trading sideways. That's it. That's it for the moment. But you gotta be patient. Not even 10 o'clock yet. The market has only been open for 9 minutes. So we'll see what happens in this market. What we can actually do is we can actually now make this a better looking trend line on the 15-minute time frame right here. Once this 15-minute candlestick closes, if it stays like it is, we'll have right there that'll be a better looking candlestick, a better looking trend line right there. On the 15-minute time frame. All right, everybody. So listen, this is another edition of Good Morning Stock Options. Hopefully everybody enjoyed that. It's another edition of Good Morning Stock Options. Just to kind of show you how the market works, how the market goes, man. Can't wait to take your class in October. I wish it's true. I wish it is truly worth it, bro, trying to master this trading thing. Oh yeah, Carl, definitely, man. I'm excited to have you, man. Definitely excited to have you in the class. It's gonna definitely be worth it. Listen. So in that actual class, this is what Carl said, everybody. So you guys. So in the class, I put you to work, right? So if you want to learn about trading stock options, but you just want to kind of just breeze through and like, hey, I'm gonna be on the class, but I'm not gonna really be paying that much attention to XYZ. Don't take it. Okay? If you think trading stock options is a get-rich-quick scheme, don't take it. Do not invest your money into it. It's a waste of your time. Trading stock options is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading stock options is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading stock options is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading stock options is something that you can do every single morning. Every single morning, you can trade stock options. Every single morning for the rest of your life. Nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can fire you from it. None of those things at all. But what you have to understand is this. Anything that is worth anything that is worth, say it again, anything that is worth a priceless amount of money is worth learning how to do it. Trading stock options is priceless. You can't put a price tag on it because no one can take it away from you. Somebody can take your job away from you. Somebody can take everything else away from you. But this skill set, they cannot take it away from you. Nobody can. So therefore, if nobody can take this skill set away from you, it's worth putting in the work. If it take you 6 months, if it take you 12 months, if it take you 2 years, it's worth putting in the work to learn how to do it, because once you learn how to do it, your life is changed forever. Once you learn how to be disciplined when it comes to trading, your life is changed forever, because every single morning you wake up in the morning, you have the opportunity to make hundreds to thousands of dollars a day. And we say a day, but we're talking about in hours. We're talking about in minutes. We're talking about literally making your hourly pay, your daily pay in minutes in the stock market. A day in the stock market. Now, is it risk associated with? Yes, it's a lot of risk associated with it. Can you lose your money? Yes, you can lose your money. But why? That's why I said, the first thing I said, if you can be disciplined, if you can be disciplined, you literally can tell the actual market what you want it to do. If you say, hey, I only want to lose $200 today. When you get into your trade, you have a risk, you have the stop loss set at 200, so you're only gonna be losing $200. If you say, I only want to lose $50, you're only gonna lose $50. You have to be disciplined. But people start getting the stock options, they make $600, and they say, holy crap, I just made $600 in one day. The next day, they go into the market with the same expectation to make $600, but the market is only offering them $250. But they're trying to get 600s. Next thing you know, they lose the 600 they made the previous day because they cannot be disciplined. You're going into a world that you never knew existed. You're going into a world where behind me, these green and red candlesticks right here behind me make people thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. You're going into a world that you never knew existed. Never knew existed. And you're going into that world. And you're going to be like, holy crap, I literally made this amount of money in a couple seconds or in a couple minutes, in a couple hours. And you're going to want to do it every single day. Okay? But you got to be patient, everybody. This is a patient person's game. Be patient. Learn the skill set. You're going to win. You're going to lose. You're going to win. You're going to lose. But learn the skill set. And once it clicks, and that discipline clicks, and that risk management clicks, you're going to be like, okay, I just made $200 a day. I'm going to take my profit. I'm going to close my computer, see what I see. Oh, I just made $300 a day. Or I just made $400. Or I just made $500. Oh, the market's going crazy, running up right now. I just made $1,000 a day. That's what you're going to be doing. All right. All right, anyway, everybody, tomorrow morning, be right here tomorrow morning again. Good morning, stock options. Tomorrow morning, be right here, everybody. So listen, y'all have a good one. All praise to the Most High. If you want a free course, everybody, go to my Instagram right now and type in free under any one of my pictures. If you want to be part of the masterclass that we got coming up this Sunday, a free webinar this Sunday, go to any one of my pictures, any one of my posts on Instagram and type in webinar. If you want to join the upcoming Mastermind, October 9th through October 13th, go to my Instagram right now and type in Mastermind, and I will send you that information, okay? Everybody, listen, y'all have a good one. I have 7% knowledge in stock market and have only traded in Robinhood. Would the class still be good for me to join? I don't mind dropping my check or on it to completely brain. Yeah, it's for newcomers. It's for newcomers. Like 90% of people I train are brand new to the market. They have no idea about the market and they're brand new to the market. 90% of people I train. Okay. Thank you for what you do and keep all praise to the Most High. Definitely appreciate it. All praise to the Most High. So if you are a new person, this is definitely, because we started at the very beginning. When we first started trading, we started at the very beginning. We started at the very beginning. All right, everybody, listen, y'all have a good one. All praise to the Most High.